Welcome to Hyde Park Stories. We're here with Sekou today, and he's the owner of Frontline Bookstores. Sekou, how long have you been in business in Hyde Park?
We've been here like 7 years.
And what made you want to move here?
Well, we bought out the store that was here before. There was like this. We had a fourth black bookstore on this premises, and we were on 75th and Cottage Grove and West Madison and Austin before. And we bought out the store that was here before us, Cyrus Books.
How long has there been an African American bookstore at this site?
About 25 years.
25 years. And what's the address is?
This address is 5206
South Harper.
South Harper Avenue.
And how has the Harper Court construction been affecting your business?
It has affected us tremendously in terms of slowing down our sales by about 95% to 100%. Walk-in sales is gone.
And primarily because
there's no walk-through traffic.
There's no through traffic.
No walk-through traffic going to the court. You see, this was a passageway for years, from 52nd to 53rd and 53rd to 52nd. Now the people who come here to the store, they have to come all the way around Lake Park,
all the way around Lake Park,
and that's a long walk. So a lot of people have not been coming because we have the walk-in sales that's totally gone. No more walk-in sales right now until this construction has come to an end. Did
anyone come up to you before construction started to let you know the effect on your business?
No one actually came from University of Chicago and came and spoke to us. No one came.
And what have you done? When did this construction start?
Well, the fence came up on August 8th. Is when the fence came up. And we went to a meeting at the town hall meeting at Park 52, which the alderman had, along with the construction people, Maku and others, and we spoke to them and asked them how this construction was going to impact us. And they said no, it wasn't going to impact us. But just as the fence went up, we saw our sales plummeted by 100% in terms of the walk-in sales.
And what have they been in contact with you since then?
They have not been in contact with us. The last one time we had a meeting, there was a meeting called at Chance sometime in end of November, early December, and we went to that meeting. And although we went to that meeting, and some people suggested that our university should, they could give us the spot across the road from Starbucks.
Across over on 53rd Street, because we're facing 53rd right now.
And we spoke to a lady called Wendy, who was supposed to be representing what do you call something dealing with Hyde Park. And up to now, she hasn't got back to us. I called her, and she has not got back to me or anything.
So they haven't gotten in touch with you at all.
No.
And they never came before it started to let you know how it was going to affect your business.
Never came and spoke to us in no mannerly way.
Have you been in contact with the other business owners in the neighborhood?
We spoke to a few people. We in contact with a few, like example, Bonasante, the owners of Bonasante, and a lot of people over there on that side. They're feeling it because of the traffic and no parking facilities. The people over Checkerboard, they're feeling it because their sales have dropped down.
I heard a rumor that
the laundromat.
I heard a rumor that some of the businesses were getting financial help from the university. Is that true?
We have heard that. We heard that rumored. In some instances, we heard that Park 52 probably will getting some kind of financial assistance, and we heard about a couple other people. But we are sure that it's probably possible that Park 52 might have gotten some assistance.
But nobody's actually come up to you and said, how can we help you through this?
No one came to us and asked us anything. In fact, when they had a groundbreaking ceremony here, they just pulled the chairs in front of our business. They didn't give us permission even to put the chairs in front of where we were paying rent for.
What would you like to see happen down here in Hyde Park?
Well, I don't have a problem with the construction. I think the construction is a good thing for the Hyde Park community. But however, I think if you're going to impede a business economically, I think you should at least help subsidize it until, because you're causing them businesses to lose money. So you should assist the businesses that are losing money. Because, they didn't start losing money by themselves. They started losing money because of construction.
Right.
And that, I mean, it's only clear in law that if you're impacting somebody's business financially, you should substitute that money.
And what's the bottom line that you would like people to know?
Well, the bottom line I'd like the people to know is that the university and the construction company, whoever is doing the construction, they have been very tacky in relation to how they deal with small businesses. And, they just show us that, they are going unto themselves, they don't care about anybody else, and it just gives us the idea that probably they don't care for small businesses like us, they probably more care for chains. So probably they want businesses like us to go.
Well, do you think that if it's possible for you to hang on until after the construction is over, do you think that once it's all finished, it would help your business?
It would, but in the meanwhile, it would, it definitely would. I have no doubt about that. The traffic and everything would be much greater. However, in the meanwhile, we have to fight. We are fighting and scratching to survive.
Just to survive, yeah.
We have to pay. We have workers to pay. We have to keep walking fields to pay people. Fields, we have to pay vendors and so on. So it's rough. Mm-hmm. It's rough.
Is there anything else that you would like to say?
What I'd like to say to the university, it would be nice if the university would have come forward and give us some kind of assistance. So at least even with public relations, advertising, marketing money, or a person in relation to paying at least for the next year and a half until the construction is done. This will be wonderful.
Is there anything that you would like Alderman Will Burns to do?
Well, I've been talking to Alderman Will Burns. He said he was going to be talking to the university to see how they could help us in terms of marketing. But nothing has come back to us so far.
So pretty much they say they're going to do stuff and then they don't do anything.
We haven't seen any results. Nobody comes to us and says we're going to follow up unless we run into them.
Well, Sekou, I'm really happy you're here. You've been a really good friend to me and I appreciate you.
Thank you, Beth.
And so come on down to Sekou's bookstore, Frontline Books at 5206 South Harper Avenue. Thanks and have a great day.
Thank you, Beth.